Everyone will say champions while they bow. This is a corporate buzzword.
This is culture training Korean style. 60 recruits from LG Electronics had made the journey to the Far East from Newport. Bowing is one of the first classes.
You feel like a lemon. You stand there thinking, this is just so embarrassing. You don't want to do it, but you've got to do it as a mark of respect.
Another of the steep learning curves involves food. On this occasion, it's dinner with a team leader. His wife doesn't join in though, just acts as waitress.
If you come to Wales and stay any length of time and bring your wife and your baby with you, then you will have to do it the Western way, and she will join us.
Language barriers are tackled in tandem, with the staff learning about the job they'll be doing when they get back to Wales after this 7-week course.
They know certain words like no touchy, no this mandatory, no touchy, computer, and it's very much like that.
Joining the recruits in Wales will be Harry Choi. His move away from Korea is a spiritual event.
Before I leave for UK, I have to visit my grandparents who died already, who passed away already.
The huge cultural differences are now being brought together under one roof at Newport, so that a part of Wales will, it's hoped, forever have a flavour of Eastern promise.